Okay. Number 3, we got one of those radical equations. All right, so remember the first thing you want to do with these is you want to get this little square root symbol. You want to get that thing by itself, and it's already by itself on number 3 here. So I can go ahead, since I've got a cubed root happening, I can just raise both sides to the third power, and this cube will cancel out the cubed root. Okay, so I got to cube both sides of the equation. The cube root and cube cancel, so I'm just left with whatever was underneath there, 4x minus 1. 3 to the third power is 27, and now I can treat it like a normal equation. Okay. All right, so add 1 to both sides. You get 4x is equal to 28, and then divide by 4 to cancel the 4, and you get x is equal to 7. Cool. Now on number 4, the square root is not by itself, so I don't want to square. Like I don't want to raise both sides to the second power quite yet. I want to try to get that thing by itself first. So I'm going to add 4. It's going to be 3 root 2x is equal to 24. It's still not by itself. I got this 3 that's connected to it. So it's connected by multiplication, so I can divide by 3 to get rid of it. You know, it's like I'm multiplying by 3, dividing by 3, so they cancel. Excuse me. It's going to leave me with the square root of 2x is equal to 8. All right, and now I can square both sides to cancel out the square root. Okay, because square rooting and squaring are inverses. They're opposites. Okay, that'll cancel, leaving me with a 2x. 8 squared is 64, and then we'll divide by 2. X is 32. That's it. Numbers 5 and 6 aren't bad. You know, we're just doing the double distributive property here. So this will be 16x squared. 8x times 5 will be 40x. Negative 3 times 2x will be negative 6x. And negative 3 times 5 will be negative 15. You've got some common terms here in the middle. So this will be 16x squared plus 34x minus 15. That's it. Okay. Number 6 is the same type of question. They say if this is equal to this, find the value of b. They just want to know what that middle term is. So the 6x and the 4x are going to give you this. The next thing you would do is 6x and the 5, which is going to be 30x. And then you would do negative 3 times 4x, which is negative 12x. And then the last is the negative 3 and the 5, which is the negative 15 there. So we just need to combine these two terms here, and that is 18x. So the b that they're talking about is an 18. Okay.